Why do 99% of people stay broke in a world overflowing with money? It's
This
not
glitch
about
in the
how
brain
hard you
represents the
work.
hidden
It's about a
mindset that
glitch in
controls our
your
decisions.
mindset. Most of us are being programmed to be consumers. We trade our time for likes and our money for status that doesn't actually exist. Meet Ayan and Zayan. Same city, same age, same income. But one is a slave to the algorithm, while the other
Watch the
learned to
algorithm
master
respond
it.
in real
Today, I'm going to show you the exact moment their lives diverged, and why one simple choice determines if you'll stay in the matrix or escape it. Which one are you? Let's find out. Let's dive into the story. 8 a.m. Ian's day starts with a hit of cheap dopamine. He spends his first 2 hours feeding on other people's lives, memes, and trends. By the time he gets out of bed, his brain is already fried. He is the ultimate consumer. Zayan knows that attention is the new oil. He keeps his phone away. For the first 90 minutes, he engages in deep work. He's not scrolling, he's building. He's learning a high-income skill, AI prompting, video editing, or coding. He is a creator. Ian sees $500 and thinks, what can I buy to look rich? He heads straight for the latest limited edition sneakers. He posts a photo, gets 200 likes, and feels like he has aura. But in reality, he just bought a liability. His $500 is gone, and the shoes lose value every day. Zayan sees $500 and thinks, how can I buy my time back? He invests in a tool that automates his work or a course that doubles his skill level. He doesn't look rich on Instagram, but he just bought an asset. That $500 is now a seed that will grow into $5,000. 6 months later, Ian is frustrated. He blames the economy, the government, and the algorithm for his lack of progress. He's still trading his time for a paycheck that barely covers his bills. Zayan had no results for months. He felt like quitting, but he understood the compound effect. While Ian was chasing instant gratification, Zayan was building a system. Suddenly, his digital assets start working for him. He isn't working harder, his money is. The difference between being broke and being free isn't luck. It's the shift from being a consumer to being a creator. Ian is a slave to the algorithm. Zayan owns the algorithm. One looks for excuses, the other looks for leverage. Which one are you? If you're ready to stop scrolling and start building, comment creator below. The Matrix only has power over you as long as you stay a consumer. Break the cycle. Subscribe for the roadmap to freedom. See you in the 1%.